Hello everyone, I Jamadar from Department of Information Technology, All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Welcome you to the session on Agile Principles. We are going through a series of software engineering sessions. In that one, we discussed about Agile Manifesto in one of the video. Now we will discuss Agile Principles. What are the principles based on this Agile processes working? So what the agile people say? They say our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. This is their motto. This is their principle, basic principle. Then the second principle is welcome changing requirements even late in the development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. So in the last session I mentioned that you must welcome the change because the customer would like to modify, would like to add something new, would like to remove something. So this is how he'll be keep changing his requirements. You should not reluctant to modify or change his requirements. You should always welcome. That will create a customer's competitive advantage. Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. So you should keep delivering continuously. Your effort should be there. You should try seamlessly to deliver working software to customer so that he can get an idea what the development is going on and how I'll getting the system developed. Then business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. So as you know, in a company we have a different portfolios, different profiles. Business people hardly interact with developers, or developers hardly interact with business people, so they'll not be able to get the idea about the project. So if because the normally business people bring the project and developers develop it, so there must be a collaboration, there must be an interaction between these two guys. Build projects around motivated individuals, given them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. This is very important, and this is a thing the management has to implement. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within the development team is face-to-face conversation. So whenever you have some confusion, some doubt, some clarification you need, some misunderstanding to be clarified, then you must meet face to face. You should not just make use of the electronic gadgets to communicate. You must see, you must talk face to face so that the misunderstandings and clarifications are done properly. Working software is the primary, as we have seen in the manifesto, working software is the primary focus over to this one documentation. Hardly we must give importance to documentation, but more importance and more focus should be on working software rather than the documentation. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsor, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Then a continuous attention to the technical excellence and good design enhances agility. So in this agile process, there is a thought, or there is a touch on technical excellence. The latest technology available will be incorporated in the design and development, and this is how there is a that's what we say, it is agile, it is alert about the changes happening around the technology world. Then we go for simplicity. The art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. This is what you don't make things unnecessarily complex. Anything which we can do in a simple way should not be tried in a complex way just to impress someone or just to make use of the technology. If something is done easily, why you should go for some complex process? That is the meaning here, simplicity. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. The teams will create the best architectures, and they'll be able to uh, give idea about requirements and designs. That's why you should try to have teams which are more self-organizing. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. These are the principles on which the agile process works, and when you incorporate in your development, really the process will become agile and the customer will get the product or system quickly with good satisfaction. So thanks to agile team, and we shall try to incorporate these in our development. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.